and welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Just like the title says, in today's video we are talking about the Louis Vuitton bum bag and what fits inside of it. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and also turn on your bells notifications so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Also, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so we can connect there, just like how we're connecting here. Anybody who is already following me on Instagram, you guys can vouch in the comments that I really like to connect with each and every one of you guys. Everyone who sent me DMs, I want to say thank you. And anybody who's commented on my pictures, I want to say thank you. Nothing, or commented and liked my pictures, as a matter of fact, I just want to say thank you. Your love and support does not go unnoticed. And everybody who's commented or shared something nice with me on YouTube, your love and support does not go unnoticed. So I want to say thank you for each and every one of you guys. Speaking of giving thanks or saying thank you to each and every one of you, I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. One lucky winner will get to win the tote bag by Marc Jacob. This is in the size mini. And another lucky winner will get to win these Gucci sunglasses. So if you're interested in entering into the giveaway, all of the entry details will be in the description box down below, so make sure to check out the description box. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we are talking about the Louis Vuitton bum bag. So I have the Louis Vuitton bum bag in a monogram canvas, and it has a vachetta strap, it has a vachetta top handle, and it also has a back zipper. The first time I introduced this handbag to you all was when I did my 2020 Christmas luxury haul. Got this handbag for myself for Christmas, and so here she is in all of its glory and beauty. So we all are aware that Louis Vuitton has done 2 price increases. There was one last month and now there's one this month. And I'm not 100% sure if the bum bag was affected last month, but I know when I checked the website recently with the recent Louis Vuitton increase, the bum bag was affected. When I purchased my bum bag for myself for Christmas, I spent $16.90 on it. Now it retails for $17.60. So this was affected by the price increase, which really sucks, but I don't control the folks over at Louis Vuitton. So yeah, I suggest that you just go ahead and go for it and think about it later. But if it's something that you've been on the fence about and you just wanted to see more reviews on it, hopefully my video helps you out with deciding before this bag goes up in price again, because I'm pretty sure Louis Vuitton is going to have another price increase at some point. But that video is not, this video is not about that. So we're going to go focus back, or put our focus back on the bum bag. So all the details about the bum bag will be in the description box down below. So please make sure to read the description box to see like bag width, length, and height, that sort of thing. That will be all down there. And the link to this bag will also be in the description box down below. I know when I checked the Louis Vuitton website last, this bag was available, but you know, with Louis Vuitton, things become available at odd times throughout the day. So I checked, it was around like, I want to say 11:30, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, or 11:30 in the morning, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And it was available, but I know this is a hard to find item as well. I think it's a little bit more easier than most things, but it's still considered like hard to find. So yeah, like I said, I have the bum bag in monogram canvas. I love, love, love it. Like literally, this has been my go-to bag for the past couple of weeks. Honestly, I did not carry this bag this past weekend just because I wanted to carry out my petite sac plot and But other than that, I've really been carrying this bag. I know here in Georgia we've been getting a lot of rain, so when it would rain, I wouldn't carry the bum bag. I would just carry my Louis Vuitton key pouch out, because that's all what I really need, because I'll just be leaving the house to go get food anyway. But yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys everything that's in here. So far, I really love this bag. This has really been my go-to bag, just because you can fit so much in it and have like a really good like hands-free like experience when you're out shopping, when you're just out running errands. It's just really nice to have something that's laying up against your chest, because that's how I wear mine, up against my chest, and just knowing that everything is there and I'm not worried about like straps falling off of my shoulders or me slinging my crossbody bag to the back of my back just so it won't like fall and get in the way of whatever I'm doing. So this has really been my go-to bag. Also recently, like, even though the bum bag isn't considered like a large bag, I would consider it like a medium-sized bag from the amount of things that can be held in here, and I'm going to show you everything that fits inside. And because I've been like a little bit more into like small, medium bags recently, this has just been my great go-to bag, honestly, and I'm really happy I have this in my collection. This is one bag that I'm like, how did I live life without? Like, literally, like, I really love this bag. So again, it is in monogram canvas. It has vachetta, it has gold hardware, it comes with 2 zipper pulls, and it comes with this little bandeau hook where you can tie scarves. You can also tie scarves on top of the top handle. I'm not into bandeaus. Maybe one day. I'm not gonna say never, but maybe one day I'll be into them, and maybe I'll like wrap a bandeau across the handle or tie one down here. I have also seen people take their coin purse off of their multi-pochette or any type of accessory and accessorize their bum bag with that down here. It does have a back zipper on the back, and that is also in gold hardware. This is unique to bum bags because most bum bags that I have seen don't have back zippers usually, and this one does, which is great because you can put a card holder, your phone, just anything back here. The strap, this is what the strap looks like. The strap is all vachetta and it comes with gold hardware. The strap is adjustable, but you cannot remove the strap at all. I've kept my strap at the factory settings. I haven't messed or moved it at all. I like where it falls on me and fits me comfortably. Like where mine is, and it fits me comfortably and fits me nice. And yeah, so, and on the front obviously it has this Louis Vuitton Paris vachetta tab. Now how I get inside of my bag, so the bag usually it has this flap, just like the Palm Springs Mini used to have a flap over the zipper. So when I get into mine, I just flip up the flap because I don't want to mess up any glazing on the canvas, and that's how I get into my bag. I don't really care like where my zippers are positioned. I'm not one of those people. But as you can see, I have a lot of things inside of my bag. It is a black, it has a black interior, and it's like a main compartment. I don't really have a bag organizer. I don't really care to get a bag organizer personally, but if I were to get one, like, never say never, right? So as you can see, my bag is pretty much filled up to the brim. Like, if I didn't have some of the items that I have in here, I probably could fit more items in here, but everything that I have in here basically I need on a day-to-day basis. Some things I don't need in a day-to-day basis, but because this has been my go-to errand running bag, I just have more things in it than I normally would carry. Or the things that I do have in here I would normally leave in my car, but somehow they're not in my car, they're in my bag. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you everything that fits inside of here. We're gonna take each and every item out, and you will see what all fits. So the first item that is obvious is my mini pochette. My mini pochette is the LV Heritage Collection mini pochette because it has my initials on it. So inside of my mini pochette is the usuals that you've seen in every single video. I have my lip gloss, I have a Neutrogena face wipe. I have packs of gum. I have a pen because I like to use my own pens. I don't like touching everybody else's pens. That's just me. I also have 2 travel size YSL perfumes with me. A Listerine strips. I have Listerine strips. Then I also have a Kiehl's lip balm, another Kiehl's lip balm, and a hair tie. So that is everything that was in my mini pochette that was inside of my bum bag. So I know getting your hands on a mini pochette is pretty difficult right now. So I feel as though because of the size of this bag, the Toiletry 15 will fit in here without any problems. And yeah, so because the mini pochette is basically like the Toiletry 15, most people were buying the Toiletry 15 because it was practically the same size as the mini pochette. So the Toiletry 15 does fit inside of here. Also, what I have in here, I have in here some cranberry juice. I usually don't keep juice in my bags because it's usually in my car. I was probably having a hard time that day keeping my sugars at a stable level. And I was probably having a lot of low blood sugar, so that's probably why I have this juice in my purse. And it's just been there ever since. I haven't bothered to like clean it out or put it back in my car. So I have cranberry juice. So you know, a whole bottle of cranberry juice can fit in here. I have also seen people put water bottles, like the 16-ounce water bottles, inside of their bum bags, and it fits perfectly fine. So, and this is, how many ounces is this? This is a 10 fluid ounce cranberry juice, and that fit perfectly fine in my bum bag with my mini pochette and everything else you'll see. I also have some hand cream. So this is like a travel size Jergens hand cream. I have some hand sanitizer, and this was the 2 fluid ounce hand sanitizer. So it's not the mini hand sanitizer, it's the next size up. I also have my cell phone with case. So this is an iPhone 10 and it is in its case. And that fits inside of the bum bag just fine. I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, and in my Louis Vuitton key pouch I just have my credit cards and some cash. I also have some Perel hand wipes to clean my hands with. And last but not least, I also have a pair of sunglasses. So they're the Gucci sunglasses that I'm giving to one of you guys. I also have a pair myself, and so that also fit inside of the bum bag. So yeah, that's everything that fit inside of my bum bag. The bum bag holds quite a lot, and this is what the inside of the bag looks. Mine is made in France, so that's what the bum bag, just one large compartment, no back interior pockets, but there is a back exterior pocket. And yeah, so this is the bum bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it all back up so you can see again. What fits. So I had Perel hand wipes, and that fits fine in there. My Gucci sunglasses, that fit perfectly fine inside. My iPhone 10 with case fits perfectly fine. My Louis Vuitton key pouch with cards and cash slides right on in there. Hand sanitizer fits right in there. Hand cream also fits right in there. Juice also fits right on in there. And a mini pochette. So a mini pochette fits right inside, and we are going to zip her up just like that, and we're gonna put the flap back down over front, and that is the Louis Vuitton bum bag in all of its glory and everything that it can hold. If you have any questions for me, or if you have any type of video suggestions, you're more than welcome to leave those into the comment section down below. If you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also make sure to hit the likes button and also give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And also don't forget about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm doing. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.